Hello. Okay, so this is basically my first time soldering this mechanical keyboard switches. Everything was normal until this happens. See, even I removed the switches, the entire row from Capslock until numpad 6 and enter, and this keyboard is pressing by itself. See, the blue one is the kind of button you hold down. So basically this Capslock row until enter, and this thing is pressing down on itself. I don't know. Let me try this. Wait, it's still holding, still pressing. I don't know what happened. Yeah, see, the 4, 5 and 6 also pressing down, but the other switches seems normal. Hope you guys have any insight. Thank you.